Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The real sting. How plot to betray Coke fell flat after Pepsi called in FBI. A secretary at Coca-Cola's global headquarters has been arrested for stealing a file of a secret new product, hiding it in a brown Armani bag and attempting to sell it for $1.5 million, £800,000, to the world's second biggest cola maker, Pepsi.
Take our lead.
Pepsi is sweeter than Coke, so right away it had a big advantage in a sip test. Pepsi is also characterized by a citrusy flavor burst, unlike the more raisiny vanilla taste of Coke. Turning to nutritional content, Pepsi has slightly more sugar, calories, and caffeine. Coke has slightly more sodium.
Let's help you make your mark.
The rediscovered recipe includes extract of coca leaves, caffeine, plenty of sugar. It specifies 30 unidentified units thought to be pounds, lime juice, vanilla and caramel. Into that syrup, the all-important 7X flavorings are added: alcohol and 6 oils, orange, lemon, nutmeg, coriander, neroli and cinnamon.
Let's help you make your mark.
Executive assistant was sentenced to 8 years in prison on Wednesday for conspiring to steal trade secrets from the beverage giant and trying to sell them to rival PepsiCo Inc. for as much as $1.5 million. Duhaney said Williams was to have received $150,000 if Pepsi paid for the confidential information.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.